In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mailing list in Moosend. By the end, you'll have a clean, clearly labeled list ready for campaigns, automations, and sign-up forms, and you'll understand the small details that make list management easier down the line. Start in your Moosend dashboard and head to the audience area. This is the home base for your contacts, where you'll manage lists and keep everything organized. Think of audience as your filing cabinet, and each mailing list as a neatly labeled folder. Going here first keeps your structure tidy and makes it simple to find the right subscribers when you're building campaigns or segments later. Once you're in audience, choose Create New List. This option opens a setup window where you'll define the identity of your list. If you don't see the wording exactly like that, look for a clearly marked button or a plus icon in the list section. The action is the same. You're creating a fresh list that will hold a specific group of contacts. Enter the list name and details carefully. A clear, consistent name saves time for everyone on your team. Use a naming convention that reflects the audience and purpose, such as Newsletter North America or Event Registrants Q2. In the details area, add a short description that explains who belongs here and how they were collected. This note is for your internal clarity and is incredibly helpful months later when you're double-checking list intent. You may also see optional fields such as a default sender name, a default reply address, or tags. Fill these in accurately if they appear, keeping them generic and professional. If there's a field for notes or compliance-related info, use it to record how subscribers opt in, like website form, double opt-in, so you maintain a clear audit trail. Avoid putting any sensitive personal information into these fields. Keep it high-level and purpose-driven. When everything looks good, click Save. Moosend will create your list and return you to audience, where you should now see the new list with a subscriber count of 0. That confirms success. From here, you'll be able to add contacts, connect sign-up forms, or use the list in a campaign. If you plan to grow the list with forms, consider enabling double opt-in later for cleaner data and better deliverability. And remember to keep your list names and descriptions consistent as you scale. That's it, your mailing list is created and ready for action. Keeping names clear, descriptions concise, and details accurate will make every campaign smoother. Thanks for watching and happy sending.